Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade shrimp Alfredo, easy method. Sear 1 pound shrimp in butter and garlic until just pink and transfer to a plate. Boil 12 ounces fettuccine until al dente and reserve pasta water. Reduce 1 cup heavy cream with 2 tablespoons butter. Whisk in 1 cup grated Parmesan off heat. Season, toss pasta with sauce and shrimp, garnish with parsley, and serve hot immediately. Make the sauce low and slow for a silky texture that clings to pasta. Start by reducing 1 cup heavy cream with 2 tablespoons butter until slightly thickened, then remove from heat and whisk in 1 cup grated Parmesan until smooth. Season with salt and black pepper, then toss with 12 ounces fettuccine and cooked shrimp, adding reserved pasta water a tablespoon at a time to reach the perfect consistency. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find these tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which is great for playing cooking playlists or timers while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep shrimp tender by cooking them quickly over medium-high heat until opaque and pink, about 1 to 2 minutes per side depending on size. Pat shrimp dry and season simply with salt, black pepper, and a hint of lemon zest before searing in butter and garlic. Remove them once they turn just opaque, then fold back into the Alfredo sauce briefly so they warm through without overcooking, ensuring a juicy, flavorful bite every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.